planet clean. Goby, Goby.
Umzile Buthelezi, sebenza co-curricular services eMlazo district as acting chief education specialist.
Pumzile, it's all happening. It's all happening here at the Civic Centre. We're in the process of training all the teachers. Tell us, how important is it for the teachers to have the learnings in terms of being able to do physical education with the learners?
I'm so happy that it finally happened. And the importance of physical education in schools, it's important for their health, for these kids' health, so that they can be healthy. They can also not sleep in class, and not all of them are going to be having those white-collar jobs. And they must also be responsible. If you do physical education, you know that you are responsible.
It's scientifically proven that physical education can enhance the learnings of a child in terms of the curriculum. Have you seen any results in terms of children that are physically active? Have you seen their results improve?
Yes, that is definitely true. If a child is involved or is physically active, even in class, that child is definitely active. The teachers don't have a problem with everything. Even the assignment, the child knows that I must do the assignment by this time, I must be responsible for this and that. Everything is...
Sure. Now, we have seen that children that are physically active and playing sport are less likely to get involved in some of the social issues that our children face. For example, bullying, absenteeism is another problem. How have you seen that type of result happening in the schools?
Yes, as I've said, that if they are involved, physically active and involved in sport, they know what is wrong, what is good and what is bad, and they don't even interfere with these bad things, drugs, all those things.
Now, part of the Goby process is to find young people in the communities where the schools are and give them an opportunity for employment to assist your full-time educators with the programs. Okay? Now, in terms of the process, in terms of us selecting these people, and in terms of giving them the opportunity to be employed, how do you feel about that?
I'm so grateful that you came up with such an initiative, because during this time there is no work. Most of our youth are staying at home, they don't have work, and other parents have got retrenched at work and no one is working. If you have this, if they get this opportunity, it's very good for them, so that they can assist at home.
Fantastic. Then Pumzile, one of the aspects as well is we would like the children to be aware of their environment. Okay, to be aware that it's not really good to throw your plastic on the ground. Goby is a symbol that drives that process, where we'd get the children to put plastic into Goby so they understand that plastic should not litter the environment, the beaches, the sea. Do you think that is very important for the learners at a young age, grade 5, 10, 12 years old, to learn about the environment?
Yes, it is very important. Goby is a very good a project to teach these young ones to be responsible at a young age. If the environment is clean, then even the people who are staying there will be also clean, and even in their homes they will be clean.
One last question I want to ask you. You have provided us with about 50 schools to be engaged with this project. What is your message to the principals of those schools and potentially other schools that we're going to engage with this project?
Firstly, I want to thank them for accepting this, because I'm the one who selected the schools, and then I gave you the names of the schools and they took it with both hands. What I would like to tell them is that they must continue with this. Even if the time for the project has lapsed, they must continue doing this, so that their schools and the kids in their schools will be responsible adults. Thank you so much. Goby, oh, you can be.